Welcome back to Home Decor. Today we are diving into the beauty of the sea, quite literally with a stunning collection of shell artwork that transforms ordinary items into elegant pieces of coastal charm. Shells, whether picked from a beach or purchased from artisans, carry the timeless story of the oceans. Their natural patterns and textures have been used in home decor for centuries. Let's explore the creative world of shell decor and art and see how they can bring a fresh coastal vibe to your space. One of the most captivating uses of shells in decor is in mirror artwork. Imagine a mirror frame with layers of delicate white, beige, and coral colored shells, instantly bringing coastal elegance to your walls. These mirrors can be round, square, or even heart shaped, with shells beautifully arranged around the frame, sometimes mixed with pearls, beads, or even pieces of corals. A shell decorated mirror over a console table or in a bathroom can completely uplift the aesthetic, adding a unique handcrafted look that speaks of craftsmanship and creativity. Next, let's talk about shell wall hanging. These stunning pieces come in many designs, from long flowing curtains made of dangling shells to detailed arrangement shaped like a heart star or dream catcher. Some designs even combine shells with macrame or driftwood to create bohemian wall decor perfect for bedrooms or living spaces. They are lightweight, eye-catching, and always unique. A shell heart hanging on your wall isn't just a decor piece; it's a conversation starter. Now comes the fun and artistic side: animal figurines made out of shells. You will be amazed at the creativity here. There are tiny turtles, fish, octopus, and even land animals like giraffes, rabbits, dolls, sticks, frogs, and rhinoceroses, all crafted by hand using different shapes and sizes of shell. Some designs even include a girl standing on a shell, creating a beautiful coastal sculptures or miniature scenery. These are perfect for display cabinets or side tables. Little pieces of art straight from the ocean. Looking for smaller decorative touches? Let's move to shell glass jars and pots. Simple glass containers become artistic showpieces when their lids or sides are embellished with shells. Pots covered in shells, especially white or cream toned ones, look fantastic on console tables, entryways, or as centerpieces. You can use them as planters or simply as standalone decorative items. Adding a few rainy stones or pearl beads can elevate the look even more. Shells aren't just for decor, they are also used in a variety of functional craft items, each a blend of art and utility. You'll find stands decorated with shells, pencil holders, stands decorated with shells, and that give your desk a beachy touch, and even tissue paper boxes covered with intricate shell patterns. These handmade pieces make everyday object looks luxurious and artistic. Then there is a glass decor. Glasses, these rims or bases are wrapped with mini shells, perfect for themed parties or even as wedding table decor. Another stunning creation is the shell wreath, perfect for front doors, living room walls, or patios. These can be made purely from shells or a mix of shells, glass, beads, starfish, and fabric flowers. You can even find door wreaths that incorporate seasonal colors, perfect for summer or coastal themed decor. And then there are those truly unique items like mobile holders, mobile bag covers, and keychains made entirely from shells. These add an artistic flair to your daily essential and make for excellent eco-friendly gift. Let's not forget about shell jewelry, from elegant pendants and bracelets to chic earrings. Shells are transformed into timeless fashion statements. You will find natural tone pieces and polished painted versions. Some sets also incorporate pearls or crystals for a more luxurious look. Whether it's a shell, ring, keychain, choker, or anklet, each piece tells a story of nature and art. Whether you are gifting a handmade shell keychain, buying a shell mirror for your vanity, or adding a door wreath, these are memorable and meaningful.